ASAP is Association for the Study of the Arts of the Present.
It's one of the leading organizations for both academics who study contemporary art and literature and also artists themselves who want to be a part of larger conversations.
To understand the present, we don't just need to rely on academics. We need to hear the perspectives of academics, of artists who are also academics, of curators, of activists, and of students. And this is a conference that is really predicated on bringing all of those groups together and also hearing the different perspectives of folks who work on different artistic disciplines.
I make use of legacy, and I make use of what we have.
A key part of this conference is an ongoing showcase of work by artists who are based in Houston and New Orleans. It's called the Gulf Coast Arts Showcase, and we're really excited to provide a platform for artists to share their work and talk about their practice.
I make moments like this moment.
Many of the attendees will write about the work that they see here, the artists whom they meet here, and that will be published in the online journal that is associated with ASAP.
We've also been running a book fair throughout the conference, which features a lot of the titles of the members of ASAP themselves, as well as just a wide range of texts that are about our contemporary moment and contemporary art's place in that. It's so great that the annual conference is here at Rice. We're really showing that artistic production is itself a kind of research, and that we want to have folks who are on the critical study of art also be in conversation with those who are making art, and vice versa. So this seems like the perfect institution to host ASAP because of ASAP's commitment to the intersection of the critical and creative.
Rice and Houston is really a hub for thinking about contemporary arts and culture, thinking about that collaboratively, collectively, and thinking about that critically, especially in our current moment.